Global Relay for Business full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to learn more or request a demo. Global Relay is a comprehensive compliance, messaging, and archiving platform primarily designed for businesses in highly regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and legal. It offers a suite of tools that enable organizations to manage, archive, and analyze communications across various channels such as email, instant messaging, social media, and even voice calls. The platform is built with a focus on ensuring compliance with global regulations such as SEC, FINRA, and MiFID II, making it ideal for firms that need to adhere to strict record-keeping and monitoring requirements. One of Global Relay's standout features is its powerful archiving system, which securely stores and indexes massive volumes of communication data, allowing businesses to easily retrieve and search for specific records when needed. This is complemented by advanced analytics tools that provide businesses with actionable insights into communication trends, compliance risks, and potential issues. Global Relay also offers monitoring features that allow real-time supervision of communications, helping organizations detect potential breaches or violations before they escalate. The platform's strength lies in its scalability and ability to manage complex compliance needs across multiple regions and communication mediums. Its user-friendly interface and customizable reporting features make it accessible to both compliance officers and senior management, who need to stay informed on the organization's communication practices. Global Relay's cloud-based infrastructure ensures that your data is securely stored and easily accessible, which is crucial for businesses that require both compliance and operational flexibility. On the downside, Global Relay's pricing can be a barrier for smaller businesses or startups, as the cost structure tends to be more suitable for larger organizations. Additionally, the platform may have a learning curve for new users due to the range of features and customization options available. In conclusion, Global Relay is a robust solution for businesses in regulated industries that need to manage and archive communications while staying compliant with ever-evolving global regulations. Its comprehensive tools for archiving, monitoring, and analytics make it a powerful asset for firms that take compliance seriously. Check out the links in the description for more details.